morning. My name is Teresa Winters. I am the proud principal of Hillcrest Elementary in Elgin, Illinois. We just had a phenomenal outpouring excitement for our students with the Al the Respect Guy. Roar, roar. He not only interacted with our students, but we had K through 3, 4 through 6, 2 shows back to back. And when I tell you a message well addressed, he addressed respect, what we talk about every day, respecting others, act responsibly. Hey, that's ROAR, R-O-A-R. If you have not yet had an opportunity with him, please talk to me, give him a call. Al the Respect, he is now leaving our school, going to another school in U46 based on just a little snippet of he is awesome. The message is well received, and it's not only for our students, but guess what? Our teachers and parents. So if you haven't had him, get him. Phenomenal job. Thank you so much, Al. And guess what? Before you leave, put us down for next year because we're ready, especially in this first week of school. What a message. What an exciting time. Thank you.